Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to whip up some delicious homemade pancakes. Whether it's breakfast, brunch or just a craving, pancakes are always a hit. I visited my friend during the holiday and she asked me to make these yummy pancakes and everyone that had it loved it. So these are the ingredients we'll be needed for these pancakes. We need some eggs, curry powder, cinnamon powder, salt, Scotch bonnet pepper, milk. The full list of the ingredients will be in the description box. We also need some onions, sugar, flour, and water. And this is my friend Ezine. She's saying hi to everyone. And that's me over there as the chef of the day. So let's get started. Sift the flour into a mixing bowl and add the other dry ingredients. Give it a gentle mix. Next, crack the eggs and whisk it properly. Next, pour in the eggs and water into the dry mixture and mix thoroughly. Next, add the water in batches to help you achieve the right consistency. This consistency is fine. Now it's time to cook our pancakes. Heat up your skillet or frying pan over medium-high heat. Add a small amount of butter or cooking spray or vegetable oil like I did. Pour a ladle of the pancake batter onto the hot skillet. You can make them as small or large as you like. Cook until you see bubbles forming on the surface for about 2 to 3 minutes. Flip the pancake and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. I love to flip pancakes. Who else loves to flip pancakes? Let me know in the comment section. And there you have it, delicious fluffy pancake. My friend had the first one, and one thing about creating content or being a content creator is that if they keep eating that pancake that way, I won't have any picture or video of the end product of my pancakes. So at some point, I had to safeguard the pancakes till I was able to snap and also have a video of all the pancakes remaining. Repeat the process until you have cooked all the batter. When you are done, you can stack your pancakes on a plate, add your favorite toppings like maple syrup, fresh berries, whipped cream, or chocolate chips. But in our own case, we ate it like that. Even before I could finish with the food photography, my friend Izini came and rescued the pancakes. And this is how to make a yummy homemade pancake. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you never miss my delicious recipes. If there's any recipe you would want me to create, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.